Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sam and I will be your cook today. Today I am continuing my series on cooking using WIC ingredients, and I will be making chicken Yorkshire, which is a great dish for using leftover chicken, and it also uses eggs, milk, and cheese. So the first thing I need to do is find my pan. I use an 11 by 7 baking dish. Something about this size is great, and we're going to put some oil in it. And we're talking, don't be too stingy. It needs a fair amount of oil because it has to coat the entire pan. So we have to swirl it around so it gets the whole bottom, and then tip the pan. Be very careful so that it coats all the sides. Probably, a good inch and a half up each side. And then I'm going to throw this pan just like it is, just oil in the pan, in the oven at 400 degrees and let it heat up. I'm going to start with 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix that up a little bit. And add 1.5 cups milk. Mix that up. Nice and smooth. And now 3 eggs. Don't fall off. Stay. 1, 2, 3 eggs. Mix those up. So we get a nice smooth batter. And we're going to grate in about 1 cup of grated cheddar. I just grate it straight into the thing, straight into the batter. The measurement does not have to be that precise. You can add more cheese if you like more cheese, less cheese if you like less cheese. I like lots of cheese. So does my family. Alright, well that's about 1 cup, but I only have this much left, so I'm going to grate it all in. There we go. Yeah. Beautiful. And to finish it off, we're just going to add in a tiny little sprinkle of Italian herb. There. There's my Yorkshire pudding batter. I interrupt this cooking demonstration video for a quick word about Yorkshire pudding. What I am making here in this video is not really Yorkshire pudding. It's close, but it's not really Yorkshire pudding. Yorkshire pudding and popovers, which are almost the same thing, are a batter of egg, milk, flour, and oil and eggs, but there is no cheese and no baking powder. What happens is you pour the batter into, in the case of popovers, hot oil, and in the case of Yorkshire pudding, into hot drippings from roast beef. And the bubbles inside the batter expand with the heat, you pour it into the hot container, which seals the batter into a little batter balloon. The tiny bubbles inside expand, join together with other big bubbles, and gradually the batter expands into big, puffy, soft stuff that is known as Yorkshire pudding or popovers. So, as I said, this isn't real Yorkshire pudding for all of you purists out there, but it is close and it is delicious. Okay, I've got my hot pan with hot oil, I've got my leftover chicken, and I've got my batter. This is where it gets exciting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the hot pan out, put the chicken in the pan, and then pour the batter over the chicken, put it back in the oven, and turn the temperature down to 350, and then it'll bake there for about 25 minutes to half an hour. Hot pan. Be very careful because the oil might spit a little bit. Leftover chicken, Yorkshire batter, smoke alarm, back in the oven, turn it down, and turn off the... So I had to leave before it was done, but I got my lovely assistant to take it out of the oven for me. Oh, there it is. Oh, I can't wait. That looks so good.